This is a quick little video on floor cleaning and refinishing in the Buffalo, New York market, which covers the Buffalo metro area and also all of Erie County. And today we're going to talk about floor cleaning and refinishing and what the difference is with hard surfaces and softer surfaces like vinyl or VCT, where you have a floor finish, or some people say a wax on it. And the big thing is, in a commercial building with a waxed floor, the key is going to be using cold water, a neutral floor cleaner, or you can also use a neutral disinfectant floor cleaner. If it's in a bathroom, restroom, cafeteria type place, you might want to add a disinfectant cleaner instead to kill viruses and bacteria, etc. Because sometimes people think about hard surfaces or how they would clean at home the same as a waxed floor or a refinished floor, but it's completely different. At home, I know I often will use a lot of hot water, but with a VCT floor, refinished floor, if you use really hot water, well, that's going to melt the finish, and it's going to make it look worse, because when it melts, it's not even. So it looks dark, it looks a whole lot worse, and it actually damages it. So you'll need to have it refinished all over again. Another tip with floors is to try avoid using bleach if the floor is waxed. I know in some restaurant type of or kitchen areas that have vinyl tile, they'll use bleach, but in their case they're not going to use floor finish or wax anyways, so using bleach is okay. But if you're in a typical office building in the area and you have a wax floor in a cafeteria or a restroom, you wouldn't want to use bleach, because that also will melt the wax, damage the wax, and make it look a whole lot worse. This was a quick video, and my name is Shane.